Do you find yourself wondering, why is my partner not interested in me? It's a question that can cause a lot of pain and confusion in a relationship. When your partner doesn't seem interested in you, it can leave you feeling rejected, unloved, and unworthy. There are a number of reasons why your partner may not be showing interest in you. It could be that they are dealing with stress at work, struggling with their own personal issues, or simply feeling disconnected from the relationship. Communication is key in any relationship, so it's important to have an open and honest conversation with your partner about how you are feeling. It's also possible that there are underlying relationship issues that are causing your partner to withdraw. Maybe there are unresolved conflicts, a lack of emotional intimacy, or a breakdown in trust. These issues can create distance and cause one or both partners to lose interest in the relationship. In some cases, your partner's lack of interest in you may have nothing to do with you at all. It's possible that they are dealing with their own insecurities, fears, or past traumas that are impacting their ability to connect with you. It's important to approach the situation with empathy and understanding and consider seeking professional help if needed. It's natural to feel hurt and rejected when your partner doesn't seem interested in you. However, it's important to remember that you deserve to be with someone who truly values and cherishes you. If your partner is consistently disinterested and unwilling to work on the relationship, it may be time to reevaluate if this is the right partnership for you. In the end, understanding why your partner is not interested in you will require open and honest communication, self-reflection, and possibly professional support. It's okay to ask for what you need in a relationship, and it's okay to walk away if your partner is unable or unwilling to meet those needs. You deserve to be with someone who loves and respects you and who is willing to put in the effort to make the relationship work.